Hi everyone. Today I'm going to present about PRAAT. Okay, as we can see on this slide, what is PRAAT? Okay, PRAAT is a computer software for speech analysis in phonetics. It was designed and continues to be developed by Paul Boersma and David Wenink of the University of Amsterdam. This PRAAT can run on a wide range of operating systems, including various versions of Unix, Linux, Mac, and Microsoft Windows. This program supports speech synthesis, including articulatory synthesis. Okay, maybe you will ask me where we can find this PRAAT, where we want, what kind of apps that we can download this PRAAT. So don't worry, I have the solutions. So move on the next slide. Okay, how to download PRAAT software. I already gave the link on this slide. You may copy it or you can write it on your paper, and yeah, and then this is the link of the PRAAT. Make sure don't be wrong. Okay, after you click this link, and it will appear on your laptop or your computer like this. Okay, this is the download PRAAT. Okay, as you can see, for the Macintosh, if you are using MacBook, you may download. You may click on the Macintosh. Meanwhile, if you're using Microsoft Windows, you can click on the Windows. For me, I am using Microsoft Windows, so I just click on the Windows, and then after you click this, either you click Windows or Macintosh, it will come out like this one. Okay, so you have to download the Windows edition. So it depends on you which one you want to download. Either you want to the 64-bit byte edition or 32-byte edition. For me, personally, I suggest you to click on the 64-bit edition because it's a bit easier for me. Yeah, there are a lot of stuff that can make you easy. So click on this thing, this PRAAT 6207 with the 64-byte editions, and after you click it, it will be automatically downloaded in your folders. So, and then click on the downloads. After downloading it, it will come out like this. And then you have to click on show in folder, and then after you show in folder and you install it, it will come out like this. For my laptop, it can come out like this. Maybe on the other laptop, it automatically use the PRAAT application. I don't know why, because maybe my laptop having some problems, so never mind, as long as it can be function. And then click on the open. After you click the open one, and then it will come out like this. These two windows will appear on your screen, and the first one is PRAAT objects and the second one is PRAAT picture, but usually we use PRAAT objects more than PRAAT picture. So just close the PRAAT picture and focus on the PRAAT objects, and make sure your screen is bigger so that you can it will be easier for you to see or look or editing something. Okay, so move to the next step. I will teach you how to use PRAAT objects. So first of all, okay, see this slide? How to start? Okay, move to the next slide. Okay, for now, if you already have any recording on your laptop, like that, you just need to click open and click the read from file, and it will be like this. Okay, for me, I will choose music, and it is being sweet at my worst actually. The rakaman baru satu, no, the rakaman I can't open it, so I use this pink suite my words, and then I click open. It will appear like this. Okay, it will, yeah, it will show you in this list. And here, on the right things, this is the details. So if you click the play, it will play the sound, and if you click the view and edit, it will come out like this one I'll show you. But the pitch I can't because this spectrum is too long, because this is a song. I'm not using a sound, I use a song, so that is why the pitch is not show in this in under the spectrum. So I'm really sorry for that. And then after you set I mean, like, if you're satisfied with your anything else sounds like that, you can click save, and then click the save as text file, and then it will appear like this, and then you click save, and it will automatically save in your laptop. So next, we move to the next step, which is we want to record on the spot. Okay, for the first thing, first we click the new, and then click the record mono sound. Okay, click it, and then it will appear like this. Yeah. So you have to click the record one, so like you can record your voice. Maybe you can say anything word that you want to say. For me, I will like, okay, for an example, I choose this one, this sound. Okay, for my example, I choose the tomato. Okay, in USA they pronounce tomato as tomato, not tomato. It is tomato, tomato. So as you can see, the blue line is showing the pitch of the sound. It shows that the pitch is drop a bit and stable, and increase a little bit and increase, and then slightly drop, stable and drop again, and stable and increase again, and like that. That is the pitch. For the yellow one, it showed the intensity of the voice. Yeah, you can see the up and down, for my intensity. So meanwhile, the spectrum shows, you can see this dark one, right? It calls the spectrum. If the more it's dark, the more deep your sound. But if you're like, for example, if your spectrum not really dark, it means your voice is not that deep. Okay. So for the permanent, it shows the dot one like that. If you click the permanent, for the pulses, this is the pulses, and for the select one, you can select, for example, there's distance before you speak, right? Like this is the voice, the spectrum of the frequency of your voice. And then you have to click, if you click select, maybe you can pull, it will appear like this. I can't show you the video because I don't know, my laptop is having problem with it, so I will show you just like this. If you click the select, your voice will start from here, like tomato, tomato, like that. You don't need to wait like for a second, silent, and then tomato, like that. Okay. For this, I hope you can understand. I'm really sorry. And also move to the next example. It is tomato again, but in different accent, which is British accent. So in British, or in UK, they do not pronounce tomato as tomato. They pronounce it as tomato, tomato. It shows the vowel is very strong and really rounded, like the O sounds really strong, like tomato, tomato, right? So as you can see, the pitch is like this. The pitch is like it's drop a bit and then a bit increase and slightly not really, so you drop and like this, and stable and so increase and then stable at the end. And also the yellow one is the intensity of my voice, and then there's spectrum. It shows that my voice is not really deep. So move on to the next example, which is car. Okay, in USA they pronounce car as car, car. The R sound is really strong, right? As you can see, my pitch is on this, like this. Before this, it a bit increase and then slightly increase, and yeah, you can see it slowly dropped and drop and drop. That is the sounds of car in USA. In the pitch of this, as you can see, the pulses like this. Okay, as you can see, and next also the same word but in different accent, which is UK accent. In UK they pronounce car as car, car, because the R sounds, they omitted the R sounds. Okay, please remember, if you are in UK, if you found like any words that sound the any words that have R, they will eliminated it, because that's how the accent work. Okay, as you can see, the intensity of the pitch of this the pitch of this sounds like it drop a bit and then it slightly drop. There is no maybe a bit increase, but only a bit, and then slightly drop down. As you can see, there are difference between USA and UK pronunciation. As you can see, also the pitch is also down, and then meanwhile the USA USA pitch is like sometimes increase and then slightly, then they have the wave like that. Yeah. But in last but not the least, move to the next sounds, which is color. In USA they pronounce color as color, color, as usual, because in USA they really emphasize the R sounds. And oh yeah, before that I have to, there are difference between the spelling of this word. In USA they will spell color as COLOR. Meanwhile in UK they will spell color as COLOUR. Okay, but don't worry, it still have the same meaning. As you can see. Okay, let's see the pitch of this sound, and as you can see, it's slight drop, and I think this is increase and then stable and then drop again and be stable pitch, and meanwhile the intensity like that, wavy, like, yeah. As you can see, my spectrum is my voice is a bit light and then dark. Yeah, maybe because of the pronunciation color, right? Okay, and the last one is this one. The color for UK. Okay, in UK it doesn't pronounce as color, but they pronounce as color. color. Remember when you saw the R sounds in UK, they did not pronounce the R sounds. Okay, as you can see, the pitch of this word, yeah, this is stable in a bit. It's a bit drop and then stable again and then suddenly increase. There's a difference between these sounds like UK and USA. They're completely different because we can see the pitch, right? Okay, so I hope you can understand the, my explanation about this fraud. And if you have any inquiries, you can ask me later. Just text me, or yeah, better you just text me. Because of this pandemic, we afraid of the COVID-19, so do text me if you don't understand. And have a good day, everyone.